It's your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci here. Thank you for tuning in to another video. As always, this video is going to be full of jam-packed gems, so you definitely want to stay all the way to the end. If this is your first time coming across my channel, obviously I go by the name of Mr. Da Vinci. I make videos about Facebook ads, Shopify dropshipping, stocks, e-commerce, and a whole bunch of other variations that can help you on your journey to making money online. If that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. So for this particular video, I'm going to be covering Facebook ads targeting 2020, how to target the same audience as your drop shipping competitors. Let me exit out right here because I just tried to make this video, but had to redo it. So as you can see, I'm on my Facebook page. Obviously, you're going to need to be logged into your Facebook page to do this. And then you're going to want to go to the Google Chrome store extension. You want to add the extension Turbo Ad Finder. If you would like for me to make a video showing you how to do that, leave that as a comment below. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to use this ad that's right in front of me, which is from Meet New Gadgets. So we're going to click, why am I seeing this ad? They know you can save video. So what we want to do is, if I had my Facebook ad campaign up, if I had my Facebook ad manager up and I wanted to, let's say, hypothetically sell this brush, I would take the targeting that they're using on me and I would implement that into my own targeting, detailed targeting for my ad campaign. So it says Meet New Gadgets wants to reach people who may be similar to their customers, meaning that when they launch this campaign, they already either excluded people who already like their page or they have a certain type of customer list, and I'm part of that similar list of people who I may or may not be interested in this product. Secondly, Meet New Gadgets is trying to reach people who speak English UK and English US. So if I was in my campaign, if I was in my ads manager, I would make a campaign selling this brush for people who speak English UK and English US. Thirdly, Meet New Gadgets is trying to reach people ages 18 and older. So obviously I would set my campaign for ages 18 through 65 plus. And it says Meet New Gadgets is trying to reach people whose primary location is the United States. So they're targeting people in the United States who speak English UK and English US. They're also trying to reach people 18 and older. So yes, it was helpful. So, just a quick touch up before I finish off the video. If you install Turbo Ad Finder and you find yourself not coming across products on your Facebook newsfeed, what you can do is, this is something I've recently just had to do before making this video. All right, so we're going to click on the Shop Now button. Bear with me. Cool, you're going to come along with the ride for me. Awesome. So you can do this step by step with me. You can do this for any e-commerce store. It doesn't just have to be Shopify. It can be possibly eBay, Amazon. I'm not too sure about that though. But you can do this on any e-commerce store that shows your advertisement on your Facebook feed. So what we have here is One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer 2-in-1. Okay. All right. They have a nice sale, but I'm not here to show you that. What I am here to show you is this. So you want to come to the product page that's being listed to you on your Facebook feed. You want to click Buy It Now. Some people have Add to Cart. Some people have Buy It Now. Really, it doesn't matter. Either or, just click on it. You're not going to be buying it. So for those of you who are panicking, oh shit, I'm going to have to buy this. No, you don't have to buy anything. This is just the Facebook algorithm. Yeah, why not? This is just to trigger the Facebook algorithm into thinking that we are also a customer as well as a online digital marketer. So as you can see, I've added this to my cart. This is nice. They got a lifetime warranty. That's something you should be implementing into your stores. Neither here nor there. So what we want to do is, we've added both products to our cart. We want to go to Secure Checkout or Buy Now. So once this loads up, yep. And then what you want to do is, once you get to the checkout page, just want to exit out and refresh my page, which I'm not going to do. But if I was to refresh my page, I will now start seeing more e-commerce, Shopify, Facebook ads all across my news feeds, and I can just continue this process, and I can see what people's already running, see what's working for them, see, just dip my hands in the water and see what's working for them, and see if that's something that I want to go about targeting and testing for myself. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. Check out this Facebook ads playlist that's popping up on the screen. Click my face. It's right here. Click on my face, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I release videos Monday through Friday. Check out these other 2 helpful videos that I have coming across my screen. This is training that will help you on your Shopify dropshipping Facebook ads journey. Again, you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below. This has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci, signing off. I'll see you in the next video.